How ChatGPT works. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI, based on the GPT-3 architecture. It is designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Here's an overview of how ChatGPT works. Pre-training. ChatGPT is pre-trained on a massive dataset that includes text from the internet. This dataset contains a diverse range of content from news articles, books, websites, and more. During pre-training, the model learns to predict the next word in a sentence, effectively learning grammar, vocabulary, and some level of world knowledge. Fine-tuning. After pre-training, ChatGPT is fine-tuned on a more specific dataset with human reviewers providing guidance. These reviewers follow guidelines provided by OpenAI. Fine-tuning helps shape the model's behavior, making it more useful and controlled. Input processing. When you send a text input to ChatGPT, it processes the input and tokenizes it into smaller units, usually words or subwords. These tokens are then passed through the model, which consists of multiple layers of neural networks. Model comprehension. ChatGPT uses its pre-trained knowledge to understand the context and meaning of the input. It recognizes patterns, semantics, and relationships within the text to generate relevant responses. Response generation. Based on the input and its understanding of the context, ChatGPT generates a response. The response is generated one token at a time, with each token being a word or subword. The model considers the probabilities of various tokens and selects the one it deems most likely to follow the previous tokens in a coherent manner. Output presentation. ChatGPT returns the generated response as its output, which is typically a text message. The response can be used in various applications, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, content generation, and more. Safety and guidelines. OpenAI provides guidelines to reviewers during fine-tuning to ensure that the model's responses are safe and align with OpenAI's policies. OpenAI also uses reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, to improve the model's behavior over time. It's important to note that ChatGPT's responses are generated based on patterns it has learned from its training data and fine-tuning. It doesn't possess consciousness or true understanding of the content it generates. While ChatGPT aims to provide helpful and coherent responses, it may not always produce perfect or contextually accurate answers, and it can sometimes generate biased or inappropriate content. OpenAI continues to work on improving the model's capabilities and safety, and they encourage user feedback to help make the system better and safer.